guys, I will be trimming my lashes today. This is just too much for me, to be honest. So what we'll need to even start trimming this is a spoolie and curved scissors. So I'm just cutting my eyelashes, like the side that curves up, you're gonna pretty much cut it like that. So let's begin. So just take a little bit off the top. You don't want to cut it like too low and then you're like, oh shit, I cut it too much. Even this already, to be honest, it looks a little bit better to me, because sis was like, I'm gonna give you dramatic even though you want a natural, right? It was still natural. I don't know, I've never had natural lashes look this dramatic. All right, this already looks better to me and look a little bit more natural, which is all I wanted, just like a natural look. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference. Even when I do this, you can see that it goes all the way up. It even touches my eyebrows a little bit, and this one doesn't. I did try to cut this as uneven as possible, just to give it just so it could look a little bit natural. Okay, this already looks like way better to me than what I had before. I wasn't trying to go anywhere with my lashes. Okay, it already looks so much better. Yes, there we go. I was stressed because I was like, this is not what I wanted. Oh, we like it better. All right, what do you guys think? I think it looks way more natural now. I probably could cut this one down a little bit more. Yeah, definitely cut this part too short, but you know what? I prefer that than it being like I'm a fly away. This wasn't, just to give credit where credit is due, I did not figure this out on my own. I'm going to link the 2 YouTubers that I saw do this and that I'm pretty much copying to get my lashes done, but I just decided to record it anyway to show you guys. But thank you, ladies, because y'all saved me from wasting money. All right guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you as much as their videos helped me. And let me know if you tried this and if it worked. Please subscribe, and next time.